டு கேம்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சிவிக்ஸ் யூனிட் 2 ஹியூமன் ரைட்ஸ் அண்ட் யூஎன்ஓ பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. 1. After the Second World War, UNO has taken several measures to protect the human rights. அதாவது ஹியூமன் ரைட்ஸ்னா மனித உரிமைகள். 2. In 1995, women from all over the world gathered at Beijing. 3. The National Human Rights Commission was constituted in 1993. 4. The UNO declared 1979 as the International Year of Women. 5. When is Human Rights Day observed? 10th December. 6th one. Which one is known as Modern International Magna Carta of Human Rights? UDHRC. 7th one. Who can be appointed as the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission? Any person appointed by the President. 8th one. How many articles does the Universal Declaration of Human Rights contain? 30. 9th one. What is the tenure of the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission? 5 years or up to 70 years of age. Where is the headquarters of the National Human Rights Commission? Delhi. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. Each individual has right to lead a dignified life. 2. Human rights are fundamental rights. 3. The State Human Rights Commission was formed on 17th April 1997. 4th one. Article 24 of Indian Constitution prohibits child labor. 5. United Nations Organization was established in the year 24th October 1945. Match the following. Eleanor Roosevelt, Human Rights Commission. The Cyrus Cylinder, World's First Charter of Human Rights. Eve Teasing Act, 1997. Child Helpline, 1098. Civil right, freedom from slavery. Political right, right to vote. True or false? 1. Human rights and civil rights are the same. True. 2. Declaration of Rights of Man and of the Citizen was proclaimed in India. True. 3. The Human Rights Act of 1993 provides the creation of National Human Rights Commission. False. 4th one. National Human Rights Commission has empowered to give punishment to the victims. True. 5. DAS was empowered to set up commission for the promotion of human rights at national and the state level. ECOSOC, ECOSOC. 5th Roman. Consider the following statements and tick the appropriate answer. 1. Find the wrong statement. Answer B. National Human Rights Commission is a constitutional body. 2. Which of the following statement is not correct about the National Human Rights Commission? The chairperson and the members of this commission are appointed by the Supreme Court of India. 3. Assertion. Human Rights Day is observed on 10th December. Reason R. It commemorates Eleanor Roosevelt's birthday. A is correct, but R does not explain A. 4. Consider the following statements. 1. The State Human Rights Commission is a multi-member body. 2. The State Human Rights Commission consists of a chairperson and the 3 members. Answer A, 1 only. 6th Roman. Answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. 1. What are human rights? Human rights are rights inherent to all human beings, regardless of race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language, and religion. 2. Human rights include freedom from slavery and torture, freedom of opinion and expression, and fair trial, the right to life, work, and education. 2. Bring out the importance of UDHR. One of the greatest achievements of United Nations is the creation of human rights law. To advance this goal, the UN established a Commission of Human Rights. It is also known as Modern International Magna Carta of Human Rights. It is the most translated document in the world. Third one, what does Article 45 of Indian Constitution provide? Article 45 of Indian Constitution provides that the state shall endeavour to provide early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years. Fifth one, state any 3 legislation passed to safeguard the welfare of women. The Hindu Widow Remarriage Act 1856, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the Hindu Succession Act 1956. Sixth one, mention some of the political rights, the freedom of expression and a peaceful assembly, the right to take part in the government of one's country, the right to vote, the freedom of speech and obtain information. Seventh one, name the 5 primary categories of human rights: civil rights, political rights, social rights, economic rights, cultural rights.